look at trigonometry. So now under today's presentation, we'll start with the first format of trigonometry. So trigonometry, the way it is, it comes each and every year. Okay, it comes in each and every year. So now for you to be able to respond to trigonometry, for you to be able to acquire the whole 12 mark, you need to understand all the three formats of trigonometry. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first format of trigonometry. The next time I upload the video, it will be the second format, and then the last one is going to be the third format. Then you'll be able to answer any question that's going to come under trigonometry. So now under today's presentation, let's try and look at this 2017 internal paper 2 mathematics. So the first question is the question that I'm going to start with. It's trigonometry, which is the first format. Okay, so now the question reads, the diagram below shows the location of houses for a village headman, denoted as capital letter H, his secretary, denoted by capital letter S, and a trustee, denoted by capital letter T. So there we've been told that H is 1.3 kilometer from ST, then ST is 1.9 kilometer from H, and THS, meaning the angle there H, it's 130, like the way we've been given in the diagram there. Okay, then the first question is saying calculate the area of triangle THS, the area. The second question is saying calculate the distance. The third one is saying the shortest distance. The B part is saying find the angle between 0 and 90, which satisfies the equation cos theta is equal to 2/3. The last question, that's difference over 2 squared, which is saying simplify 2x squared minus 8 over x plus 2. So let's start with the first one. Okay, let's start with the first one. Okay, we are finding the area. Okay, we are finding the area of a triangle. Okay, how do we come up with the area of a triangle? Okay, so now for you to come up with the area of a triangle, okay, so this format of a trigonometry, we've been given two sides and one angle. Okay, we've been given two sides and one angle, so we are finding the area of this triangle. Okay, so the area of the triangle is denoted by area is equal to 1/2 BH. Okay, sorry, this is H, BH sin theta. Okay, so BH, these are the sides that you are given. Okay, BH, these are the sides that you are given. Okay, so these sides always you'll be provided with under this format, the first format. Okay, the first format is when you've been given one angle and two sides. Okay, one angle and two sides. This is the first format. Okay, so sin is the angle that you are given. Okay, then I'll continue saying area is equal to 1/2. What's my B? You can get any of these. Okay, so I'm going to get this one, which is 1.9. Okay, 1.9, and also my H is going to be 1.3. Okay, 1.3 sin theta. Okay, then from here I'm going to say area is equal to, then I'll compute these now on the calculator. Okay, I'll compute these now. So now if I punch all these, I'm going to say 1.9. okay, 1.9 times 1.3 sin 130, giving me this. Then I'll divide by 2. Okay, so it's giving me 0.946. okay, it's giving me 0.946. So my area is going to be 0.95. I'll just round it off. Okay, kilometer squared. Okay, this is my area. Okay, this is my area. Okay, this is my area. I just rounded it off, kilometer squared. Okay, so this is my area. This is how you come up with the area. Okay, let's go to the second quick part, the second part. Okay, so now this is our second part. So now the second part is saying calculate or find the distance TS. Okay, we are finding the distance TS, this distance here. Okay, it's the one that we are finding. So now for us to be able to find this distance, we are going to use these two sides that we've been given, and also we make use of the angle that we've been provided with. Okay, we are going to make use of the two sides and also the the angle that we've been given. Okay. So I just had to fold the paper. Okay, so I'm unable to use the board today because of the location where I am. Okay, because of the location where I am. So the finding, let's try and calculate the distance, which is TS. Okay, we calculate the distance, which is TS. So we're going to make use of the same sides. Okay, since we're finding the distance TS, we're going to say TS squared is equal to TH squared plus HS squared, okay, minus 2. Please, this minus 2, it's always on the formula. Okay, it's on the formula. Then multiplied by TH, just have to remove the squared, and also HS, remove the squared as well. Then say cos theta. Okay, cos theta. Theta is the angle that we've been given since we're finding the distance TS. Okay, we're finding the distance TS. TS squared is equal to, what's our TH? Our TH, it's what? It's 1.9. 1.9 squared plus, what's our HS? Our HS, it's this one, which is 1.3. Okay, 1.3 squared minus 2 TH, which is 1.9, and also HS, which is 1.3, cos what? Cos 130. Okay, I'll put my cos 130 there. Okay, like that. Okay, then TS squared. So this one, the TS, it will just be dropping. Okay, it will just be dropping. Okay, so now from here I can just try and go direct from here. Okay, I can just try and go direct from here. Okay, then I'll just say 1.9 squared. Okay, 1.9 squared plus 1.3 squared minus 2. Okay, minus 2. I'll open the bracket. I'll put 1.9. I'll close the bracket. I'll open another bracket as well. I'll put 1.3. I'll close the bracket. Then I'll say cos 130. Okay, it's giving me this number. Okay, it's giving me this number. So it's giving me 8.475370792. Okay, it's giving me 8.475370792. So this is the number that it's giving me. Okay, this is the number that it's giving me. Since I'm finding the value of TH squared, okay, I'm finding the value of TH squared. Okay, since I'm finding the value of TS, I'd have to get rid of this squared. So now for you to get rid of this squared, you need to introduce a square root. So introduce a square root this side. I'm also going to introduce a square root this side. This and this to go. So TS is equal to, then I'll say the square root of this number. Then I'll just press square root on my calculator. Then I'll say this. So it's giving me 2.91, okay, kilometer. This is my distance. Okay, just you to calculate the distance, it's a 5 mark. Okay, it's a 5 mark. Just you to calculate the distance, it's a 5 mark.